Look at this graph.
Discord has over 6.7 million active servers with a wide variety of niches, groups, organizations, and communities using it as a main communication platform with a wide variety of features. Prominent users of Discord ourselves, we found the need to quickly represent datasets visually for projects such as school assignments and startup company work.
We used Python to create most of the project, both the Discord bot and the graph functions. We learned how to implement plotting libraries such as matplotlib and geoplotlib to create line, pie, and bar graphs, and geodot and geospatial maps from CSV files.
We also use the Dropbase API to quickly validate the schema and upload them to a centralized database. This makes sure that all users who upload a file, when they upload the files, the data matches the schema of the graphs. That way people aren't having any wonky graphs with wrong scales. It should always match, assuming they follow our templates. We also use the Postgres API endpoint, which allows us to query the data directly to our database that was managed by Dropbase. And this gave us just enough info that we were able to draw these graphs, and it gave us the correct info every time because we knew the data schema layout. We also faced quite a few challenges and learned quite a bit throughout the project. So one of the first things was that none of us have ever used any of these plotting libraries, so that was all brand new. We all learned how to, using matplotlib, geoplotlib for these different type of graphs, as well as the Dropbase API. We're missing some endpoints that we needed. So for example, the deletion endpoint would have been very nice for us. We would have preferred that we could, delete a table, right? And then so we can upload a new schema each time. But unfortunately that wasn't available, so we got around this by having our own schema that the users had to conform to each time. Because of that, now the pipeline will always work because the schema matches. It's a small limitation, but we were able to get around it with a little bit of ingenuity. This was also the first time any of us used any types of APIs or REST API, and doing them manually in Python using requests. So that's something we all learned as well.